Give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Malena. If you're new and if you're not new, what's poppin'? Now today's video, I'm basically giving y'all this hairstyle. It came out really cute, but it just reminds me a little bit of like I don't know. I think it's just a little too girly for me. I don't know, but it came out really cute. So if you're interested in this video, just keep on watching. So the first thing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and pick out my bangs. And by the way, y'all, like I told y'all from the last video, is that I'm using the camera. So if it skips to something else, it's mainly because I had to stop and like actually go get a mirror. I'm gonna go look at a mirror. Anyways, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is take some time out for, take some hair out for my bangs. By the way, y'all, this is my first time doing this hairstyle. So if it comes out a little rough, then y'all sorry. So once I take the hair out from my bangs, it's gonna be about that much, and just know it's gonna go out that way. I'm just gonna twist this up, and I'm gonna just you can put like a little rubber band or something on it. I don't have a rubber band where I'm at right now, so I'm just going to put a little bobby pin in it.
And away, being the cap, put them rest in the safe, yo. I got that Glock on my heel, run up on me and I aim at your face, yo. This stick up, get on the ground, nigga ain't nobody safe, yo. Don't make a move, don't make a sound, I'ma let that for the spray. Toting on ratchets, we toting on ratchets who say they won't stay.
So what y'all, oh my god, look at that, ew, that's a gorilla, whatever it's called. By the way, y'all could use Eco Gel. Y'all can use anything that slick y'all hair down. Luckily, my hair slicks down with setting wrap spray, which is weird, but it do. But it don't make my hair hard or keep it in place or anything. But I'm also not going anywhere, so up into a ponytail. And I'm going to use a little bit of gorilla, it's called Gorilla Snot. I don't know why I always say Gorilla Glue.
I'm bullet nigga though, but I be my grandma. Construction nigga out the world with a hammer. It hot on NJ, yeah, we back again. Fucking your bitch from the bag again. Smoking it, don't be some Magdalene. No matter, but I got that sack again. Run up a chick, yeah, I run up a chick. That be wanna fuck, but I just want a neck. Got me some rest and I ice on my neck. My pockets on swole nigga.
And we're just gonna brush my hair up into a ponytail.
I lay that check down. We toting on Teds now. Hey, you might need a vest now. Let them bullets fly just like it's an eagle. Yeah, I got more clip than a rigger. That little bitch just I know she is not a keeper. That little bitch a eater. Give it enough like a sneaker.
And once you do that, which this is not even that small, to be honest with you, it could be smaller. So I'm going to bobby pin it down. All right, and now what we're gonna do is we're going to take your hair that you have, and I just have this little track that I got, and you're gonna wrap this around your ponytail.
We'll let you have it, look. Ain't on my body now like I'm magic. This chopper make you disappear like a magic. I'm popping these permit, I think I'm an addict. I stay with that pony, you can't get me lacking.
Chasing the bag, ain't got no time to waste. If a motherfucker cross me, ain't nobody safe. I wrote your story, don't get it a race. I want the money, don't care for the fame. Tryna play tough, nigga, stay in your lane. See through it bluff, ain't got no poker face. I did my dirt, but I ain't leave a trace. Not going back.
And I don't have no longer hair other than this hair, so I just hope that I don't look like a grandma with this short behind ponytail. I just hope everything comes out like I want it.
So hard, boy, watch out, cause niggas is snakes.
And what I'm gonna do is cut a piece of hair. I'm gonna cut a piece. So once I find some scissors. Okay, so I did this. I should have said this in the beginning, but you're gonna cut off at least 2 of the little curls that you have of whatever type of hair you're using, because you're gonna need it for your bangs.
That my baby, so I beat it raw. She know I'm a sauce, so I beat it no flaw. Beat it back in and I'm breaking her walls. I smoke on woods, don't pass me a guard. Niggas just jumping out, we really far. Cutting them tops, people ain't play that part. I sing through the skies, never hurt me a heart. I rock alone, I was cutting them off. Niggas ain't solid, they really soft.
Cut the cameras.
Big Glock on my heel, run up on me and I aim at your face, yo. This stick up, get on the ground, nigga ain't nobody safe, yo. Don't make a move, don't make a sound, I'ma let that for the spray. Toting on ratchets, we toting on ratchets who say they won't static.
So I had to get out the camera real quick because it was a lot going on. But anyways, once you push it up and you put it in a ponytail, it should look like this. Once you flip it back, you might have to, what I had to do was, it wasn't trying to, first of all, I look like I'm in like the 2000s. But anyways, so I don't think I'm gonna like this hairstyle. But once you flip it up, you might have to bobby pin some pieces so it can sit back the right way. It's a whole different way you can do it, but I feel like this is the easiest, like the fastest, quickest way you could do it. But yeah, so then I have my little 2 pieces. I'm going to cut this in half. Once I find my scissors that I keep losing. Okay, so I'm about to do something that I don't recommend everybody doing. This is my first time even doing this, so yeah, do it at your own risk. But I'm going to put hair glue on my real hair. I don't think this is safe to do. But like I just said a few minutes ago, do it your own risk. So what you're going to do is you're going to line your hair with the track.
Say I'm in it bit with my slang. Swear we ain't wasting no time. Got a bad bitch and she fine. I'm in it bit with my slang. 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 Swear we ain't wasting no time.
So once you make sure your part is straight, you're going to split that. First of all, y'all, my hair have grown. We ain't talking about that. Okay, so now we're going to split this in half. Just put that to the side. What you want to do is make sure you can hide it. We're going to cut this a little bit more because I don't want no control. So once you split it enough, what you're going to do is get your hair glue. Y'all, I just lost the hair glue and I just had it in my hand. I'm gonna dry this up a little bit, like very, very dry it until it's tacky for me. You just hide it just like that. So now this is the part where you're gonna have to get your flat iron out, and you're gonna have to make sure. Well, you're gonna have to try to basically you're gonna have to can I get it out? Halfway. Make sure the track is the same size. And then you just do the same thing, which is put in the glue on the track.
For real, don't let my slime. I gotta get to my grind. Niggas is iffy, I don't feel the vibe. Out of the drama, ain't wasting no time. People do friendly, they crossing the line. I speed the sword with words on rise. We got our problems, now they hard to find.
Cause I think that's glued down now.
I get the pain, I get the grief. No one style at my brother, I keep. Check out my dog who be running through streets. Never know go, it could be in a week. But I tell them straight strong, don't you fall to the weak. Gotta watch how I speak, lot of shit I don't drink. Tryna get on that baby, we marking on mates. How like I'm pitting on.
That's what I should have did the first time. I should have flat ironed my hair first and then added that, because it looks like when I did that,
do better, yeah, start waiting tease. On the face shit, I show no energy. I'ma keep grinding, ain't no enemy. Don't let my slime forever with me. I'm in it with my slime. Swear we ain't wasting no time. Got a bad bitch and she fine. I'm in it with my slime. 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 Swear we ain't wasting no time. Got a bad bitch and she fine. I'm in it with my slime. 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 I'm in it with my slime.
okay. So basically this is the hairstyle. Now you're just gonna go add your edges, and I'm gonna do that off camera because, as you already know, I cannot do edges on camera for some reason. So you're gonna go do your edges and I'll be right back. Okay, and this is the finishing look. I just added like one edge right there, one edge right there, one edge right there, because you can't really see my edges, so it's really no point of doing like so many edges. But this came out really cute. Oh my god, I need a necklace that's like, but this is the hairstyle. And like, this hairstyle is really cute. So I hope y'all go try it on yourselves. And y'all, I hope. I'm so weak. At first, when I was first doing this hairstyle, I really thought that it was gonna look really bad, like I was gonna look like a grandma or something. But it came out really cute. If you enjoyed this video, comment, hit the subscribe button, show all your friends, follow all my social media handles. It'll be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.